Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So, if you don't have a keyboard attached to your device, you can search for Snipping Tool, open the Windows menu, and usually it will be right here. So just click right here, then click New, and this way you'll be able to select the kind of screenshot I want to take. Now, if you have a keyboard attached to your device, you can do this by pressing Windows, Shift and S buttons at the same time, like this. And it will do the same thing. Or alternatively, you can use the print screen button on your keyboard. Okay, so once you see this bar at the top of your screen, you'll have to select the kind of screenshot that you want to take. You can pick between rectangular, window, full screen and freeform screenshots, and I'm gonna explain each one of them briefly in a while. So if you select a rectangular screenshot, you'll have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and once you select it, the screenshot will be taken. If you click on this notification right here, you'll be able to preview your screenshot as well as make some changes to it, edit it using either this quick tools or Paint application. Now, to find your screenshots, you'll have to go to the File Explorer, open Pictures, and then go to Screenshots folder. Okay. And here is the last screenshot that we took. And so let me go to the next kind of screenshot that we can take on this device. So Windows screenshot is basically the screenshot of just a window itself. So to take it, you simply have to click on the window and the screenshot will look like this. And the next one is the full screen screenshot, and basically once you click on it, the screenshot will be taken, and it's just a screenshot of a full screen of your device. And the last one is the freeform screenshot, and it's just like the rectangular one, except for you can select any shape that you like. You can draw it on your screen like this. Oh, excuse me. Okay, I didn't mean to make it like this, but generally you get the idea. So the screenshot you will look like this once you draw a shape on your screen, and basically that's it. So that's how you take a screenshot on your tablet, aka laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.